The three pigs, let me in. No. Then I'll blow your house down. And he did. Then the pig ran down the road. Let me in. No, no. Then I'll blow your house down. And he did. And two pigs ran down the road. Now the third pig. There. Let me in. No, no. Let me in. No, no, no. Then I'll blow your house down. But he did not. I will get in. Then the wolf went down, down, down. Then the wolf ran down the road. All the characters this time? Oh, that's all her. Yeah. Yay!